Welcome to the Drew University Laboratory. As chemistry students, you'll be connecting the concepts you learn in lecture to the labs you conduct. Before you can start working in the laboratory, it's important to learn all the rules and safety protocols that have been established. Throughout this video, Drew upperclassmen will be demonstrating the do's and don'ts of the laboratory, and one day you might do the same. Before entering the laboratory, it's important that you're dressed appropriately. Since you'll be working with various chemicals and substances, some of which are hazardous, it's important to wear clothes that cover your skin. Closed-toe shoes and pants are required, and remember to tie your hair back if it's long. Once in the lab, additional protective gear is required. A lab coat and lab goggles should be worn at all times while in the lab, unless otherwise told by the professor. Every lab is equipped with a fire extinguisher, gas shutoff valve, multiple eye wash stations, a first aid kit, an emergency shower, and a fire blanket. Take note of the locations of these safety features in case you ever have to use one. Never taste any chemicals, and if you have to smell it, do not directly inhale it. Rather, use your hand and waft the scent towards your nose. We all know that accidents happen, so if you break any glassware, inform your TA or professor so that they can instruct or assist you on how to clean up the broken glass. When working with chemicals, always alert your TA or professor if there is a spill. Do not just wipe up the liquid with a paper towel. Always neutralize acids and bases before cleaning them up. If an acid is spilled, neutralize with sodium bicarbonate, and if a base is spilled, neutralize with acetic acid. Once the liquid is neutralized, you can wipe it up with a paper towel. If you forget, just ask your TA for help. It's important to keep a clean workstation, so dispose of chemicals in the appropriate bins. Do not dump any chemicals down the drain unless told to do so by the professor. Instead, dispose of chemicals in the waste jar in the hoods. If you are unsure of how to dispose of something, ask your professor. No eating, drinking, or chewing gum while in the laboratory. Leave all snacks and water bottles outside of the door before entering the lab. If you need a snack or water break, step outside the lab to do so. Your professor will answer any questions you have and may cover additional safety protocols. Remember, working in the laboratory is a privilege, so it's important to follow all of the regulations of the laboratory to ensure a safe work environment for everyone involved. Thank you for your attention and good luck experimenting.